As we head into the 2015 Atlantic hurricane season, I bet you didn't realize it's been 9 years since the United States has had a hurricane make landfall that's been Category 3 or higher. A Category 3 or higher hurricane is considered a major storm with winds greater than 111 miles per hour. Of course, storms less than Category 3 like Hurricane Sandy still wreaked havoc with heavy rains and coastal storm surges. So how rare is it for the US to avoid a major storm for 9 years? Let's look back at the actual record of hurricane tracks for the last several decades. Green and yellow lines mean they didn't make landfall, or they did and weren't major hurricanes. Red lines are the major hurricanes that did make landfall. Some years like 1964, 2004 and 2005 have seen 2 or more storms hit our coasts. We can also see that gaps of a few seasons with no major storms is common, but none as long as 9 years. A new NASA study used a model to gauge hurricane activity. They found that every year there's roughly a 40% chance that 1 or more Category 3 storms will make landfall, and that a 9-year gap only comes along every 177 years. But that doesn't make a major storm any more likely for this year. Just like when you flip a coin 9 times in a row and you get tails every time, the odds of heads versus tails on that 10th flip remain the same. Just to be clear, it hasn't been a quiet 9 years for hurricanes. They've been out there, it's just that the major storms haven't made landfall. Scientists say they haven't found a single persistent cause for this. It could just be luck.